I, Giet Magok Garang,
Secretary General of the BCYA,
Secretary General of the BCYA,
do hereby swear by the Almighty God
do hereby swear by the Almighty God
that as the Secretary General of the BCYA,
that as the Secretary General of the BCYA,
I shall be faithful
I shall be faithful
and bear true allegiance to BCYA,
and bear true allegiance to BCYA,
and I shall diligently
and that I shall diligently
and honestly
and honestly
discharge
discharge
my duties and responsibilities
my duties and responsibilities
in a consultative manner
in a consultative manner
to foster the development
to foster the development
and welfare
and welfare
of the BCYA,
of the BCYA,
and that I shall obey,
and that I shall obey,
preserve,
preserve,
and defend
and defend
the Constitution
the Constitution
of the BCYA
BCYA
and abide
and abide
by the law,
by the law,
and that I shall protect
and that I shall protect
and promote
and promote
the unity
the unity
of the BCYA
the BCYA
and consolidate the democratic system of good governance
and consolidate the democratic system of good governance
and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA
and preserve the integrity and dignity of the BCYA
and her people.
and her people.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.